Everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now, friends. In this video once again I'm talking about the Stellar XLM. What's the current price of XLM, what's the price changes occurring in the XLM, and especially my friends, in this video I'm talking about the big mistake, the huge mistake of Stellar XLM holders. Absolutely my friends, if you do this mistake, so you're in the loss, and if you don't do this mistake, so you will be safe from loss. Let's see my friends, but before starting this interesting video, I request everyone to please subscribe in our ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. Thank you so much for subscribing ABS Tech channel, my friends. Now let's see the latest price of the XLM. You can see here 0.430791 USD dollar. That is the latest price of the XLM in the market. And if you look the price changes occur in the XLM, so absolutely the last 1 hour pricing is negative, last 1 day pricing is negative, last 1 week pricing is negative. The whole price changes occur in the Stellar XLM is going down. What's the reason behind that? And especially that is why I'm making this video, because the price of the XLM is fast down day by day, hour by hour, my friends. Now it is the last 1 month price chart of the XLM. So you can see here from the last 1 month the price of the XLM is fast down, and you can see here negative 15.11% the price fast down in the last 1 month, in the last 30 days, my friends. So now there is, at this time it is the end of month, as you know, so that is why I recommend for everyone that it's time to hold, my friends. If you decide to sell, so you are in the loss, because the last 1 month price change as negative, so that's mean that you are in the loss. And if you decide to hold, my friends, so maybe there is a lot of chances to they take a jump in the future. So that is why my personal recommendation is that it's a perfect time to hold, my friends. Anyways, my friends, what is your opinion, what is your prediction about Stellar XLM? Please share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.